What's up, everybody? Got the Harbor Freight Dolly. We're actually live right now. Picked up the Harbor Freight Dolly from Harbor Freight. They finally have one in stock, so I can get the bike on it. Hopefully, a lot of guys said that the full dresses don't tend to fit on these, but I don't know. We'll see. It's got to be better than trying to get it over against the wall with the jack. Well, actually, I put a hole in the wall. Don't want to do another one. He's got a ton of screws. It's pretty much just put the wheels on and whatnot. This is a live video. I don't have time. I'm not at the camera looking for questions, or nobody's running the camera right now. I have it on a tripod. So if you guys ask questions, I won't see it. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this live and get this together. It's crazy. Directions are pretty basic. This might take a while, so grab yourself a cup of coffee or something. Since this is live TV, you can watch me put this thing together. I hate putting things together. Wow. What in the hell? I think I just broke it. Wow, what junk bolts, man. Wow, these bolts are really crap. I just busted that bolt so easy. Wasn't even trying. Wow, thing broke. Unbelievable. I don't even know if I got extra bolts. I hope the steel isn't like the bolts, because if it is, this shit's gonna fall apart. Well, steel feels pretty heavy, so maybe it will hold. Are there enough bolts in here? Maybe I do, I don't know. Doesn't look like there is, but hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. I don't know if that's extra or if that's for another piece, but I'm using it for the wheel right now. This shit's probably made in China. Bolts are junk. If I can't snap a small bolt like that, that easy, then you know it's junk. There's no doubt. So afraid to tighten these things, knowing that they're gonna break. All right, got the wheels on. How else are we gonna do this? Boom, boom, boom. Bolt connecting plates, 5 to both sides of carriage, and 6. Just gonna look at the picture because the directions totally suck on this thing. All right, it looks like we got these plates. I would say go underneath. I'm so confused. Two, 4, 2. All right, we got enough of these cheap screws. They're not even hardened, and they're supposed to hold this whole thing together. Whatever. Get some wrenches. Oh. Wow. Oh, crap. Gotta have a coffee break, you know what I'm saying, people? Alright, let's get this on. Looks like... Alright, looks like this piece attaches here somewhere. I was gonna say something dirty, but I'm gonna keep it nice and clean. Alright. Now this, the kickstand side. Put it on the other side. This thing's heavy. Alright, now, what I'm going is it goes on the bottom, which is hard to see on that picture. The reason I know it isn't going is because it doesn't line up with those holes. Alright, let's tighten this up while we got it over here. Don't need the extension. These are 12mm bolts and nuts. Did I grab the wrong one? Yeah, grab the wrong one. The nuts are 12 on that. Whew. I think the bolts are 14. I'm just snugging these up, because honestly, I'm afraid they're going to break. Let's give it the strength test. Oh, cool. Seems sturdy. Let's see, that piece. Match yourself to the bike. Let's see. Screws go into the bottom on this tray. What I did was I put it up against the bike and roughly figured out where the jack stand is going to go. Or the jiffy stand, I should say. Now, hold that with a Phillips. Man, that should make the bike so much easier to move around. Ah, what do we got? No clue. I am lost at this point. I am lost right now. Got these plates. No idea. And you got these things here. It's, I don't know. Dude, really, I got no clue. No clue whatsoever. Alright. I think this goes here. Like that. Trying to follow the pictures, because you know how it is with stuff made in China. Alright, it looks like this pin just sits here, and then somehow these attach to the front. I think that's what it is. Alright, I'm reading this correctly. It's like that. Nope. And these smaller screws will go and hold this in here. Guys and girls, I'm just guessing. Really don't have a clue if this is correct or not. I'm gonna find out. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, so that looks like it's correct. It acts like a ramp if I was to ride the bike up this way, and it also acts like a stop so it doesn't go forward. And that keeps the bike front wheel from going all the way out. That's what it is. And if you're not using it, cool. Side in. I gotta get knee pads. Yeah, now that I'm almost done, I'm gonna put a knee pad on because I know my knee's gonna be killing me tomorrow. All right. Almost done. I can't wait to try this. I hope the bike fits on it. I don't know. My bike looks pretty long. I don't even know if that jack stand part of it's gonna work. Another thing that's going to be hurting me tomorrow is my back. Alright, clean up a little bit before we even give this a try. Hate losing my tools, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's pick up all this extra shit. Well, they gave me extra washers. I guess they figured I might need them. And I had an extra bolt, so they probably figured I was going to break something. Being so damn cheap this stuff is. I don't know what they're using for steel, man, in China. But man, they make such subpar products, it's ridiculous. I can't understand companies keep going to them. I know they're cheap and all, but I would rather pay a little bit more money and have a good bolt on that. Such a pain trying to get it in and out with the jack. Ooh, fuck, back's killing me. Alright, that's good enough. Out of the way. I'm gonna pull the bike out. It's raining out too. Alright, get the bike out of the way so I can get that lined up. Let's see how this works. Direction suck. Try to get a good camera picture here for you guys, because I don't have a camera. My camera crew is in school. Don't fit. So you can see, this does not fit the Jiffy stand, right? So that ain't gonna work. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to strap this bike down if I want to use this dolly. Strap it down to hold it to the dolly, and then move it around. Definitely not gonna fit a full dresser. You might fit a Kawasaki in here, something smaller, but this is not gonna work. Like I said, two options. I modify this tray, or I strap the bike down. And I can't strap it down by myself, I don't think. Maybe I can. I'm afraid she's gonna fall over. Alright, she's strapped down. Let's see if I can move her without dropping her. Let me walk you guys around so you can see what I'm dealing with here. Alright, she's on there and it worked as far as I'm concerned. You can see the kickstand, way too big for the jiffy stand, way too big for the tray. See how it sticks out way almost past the wheel. I'm going to have to modify that next year. I'll take it to my neighbor. He's got the welder. We're going to end up cutting this and extending it out, I think. It worked with the straps. I strapped it down. She's not going anywhere. But overall, I'm going to tell you, I'm not impressed. Not for an ultra classic or a full-size dresser. Some of the dressers out there are bigger than this ultra classic, and I don't see how they would even fit on this thing. It barely fits. I don't know if you guys can see the rear tire. Barely fits on the back of that. Barely. And front's all the way up. But it worked. It did what I wanted it to do. It made it easier for me to put this bike up against the wall because I do have the car that I have to put in here. And sorry about the video, guys. I'm by myself. I do have a car that I like to put in here, and I got to get this thing as close to the wall as I can. This is only a one-car garage, so it is what it is. Did it work? Yes. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Probably not. It was cheap though. I think I paid $72 with 20% off. So I can't really complain. And like I said, it does what I wanted it to do. Would I use this every day in the summertime? Like roll up in here and try to turn my bike on it? Absolutely not. This is going to be more of a storage thing only. And that's what it's going to be. That's it. So winter time when I'm ready to start a bike like I am now, that's where she's going to go, right up against the wall on that. We'll not be using that during the summer. I know some guys are talking about they ride their bikes up on this and they turn them in a garage. That is never going to happen with this bike. What's up, Precious? My mailman. Say hi, we're on YouTube Live right now. Sorry about the interruption. So that's it, the only time I'll be using this is to store the bike up against the wall. At least I don't put any more holes in my walls, because that can get expensive to fix too. Alright, gotta hook up my trickle charger. I'm done with the bike for this year. And that's it, she's done for the year. I gotta do some cleaning up in here too. Whatever. If you guys got any questions or comments, I'm gonna have to say put them below. I'm not gonna be able to get to you on this live feed. I hope it wasn't that boring, but why don't you see that I finally got it, see what it's all about, and you guys can judge for yourself if that would work for you. If you had a smaller bike, that'd be great. Like a little, maybe a 900, 800, 750, whatever. That'd be great. I think it would fit on that tray really nice, but it's not made for the dressers. It really isn't. All right, take care, y'all. Bye-bye.